My name's Anthony Allen, welcome here to my YouTube channel. This is lesson 4 of a 10-part series that I'm running here for Final Cut Pro 10 beginners, and lesson 4 is coming up right after this intro. Hello everyone, my name's Anthony Allen and you're here on part 4 of this 10-part Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial series. In this lesson, we'll be tackling the timeline and making our timeline look different so we can complete tasks within the timeline with ease. So, right here I've explained what the browser is already, and if you haven't watched the previous lessons to learn how to import, how to change your browser, and also how to import things to the timeline, then you can go back to those lessons, which is contained within a playlist here on the channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So, we want to be able to change how the media looks within our timeline so we can see a lot more of our media when we're completing tasks, as this can become very convoluted and complicated if we don't know how to change the size, look and feel of our timeline. So let me show you how to do this. Now you can see at the edge of the timeline there is an effects panel here that is open. This is taking up a little bit of room. In order to get rid of this, you move up to these icons here and you can see there is a box within a clear box, or vice versa, a clear box within a filled box. This is the effects browser. You will know that these are effects because it will say effects at the top here. If your transitions are open, you will see transitions at the top. What I want you to do is, with the one that's selected, which is highlighted in blue, I want you to click this. This will close that browser. But we still don't see all of our audio within the timeline. There is another thing that can be done. Now, using the trackpad, you can pinch to zoom in or out of the timeline. I want you to pinch inwards. If you're using a mouse, I want you to select your timeline and scroll down. So do that action now. You will notice that this will change the zoom on your timeline. We have now zoomed out of the timeline and we can see everything within our timeline. Do this so you can get the satisfied look of your timeline. If you're looking to zoom in on a mouse, use the scroller and scroll up. If you're using the trackpad, pinch outwards. As you've noticed, when I've pinched outwards, it has zoomed in on where the playhead was. I can simply just scroll across in order to find what I need. Now we've zoomed in too much. Let's zoom back out until you get the desired effect of what you're looking for. Now at this point you can see from 0 frames all the way until 13 minutes. The song that we have selected is roughly 8 minutes long, which is quite shocking. You can also change how the media looks within your timeline. The way you do this is you move your mouse to the edge of the timeline to this icon right here, where you can change the appearance of clips in the timeline. Let's select this. Now we have a few different options. We can make the sound wave the focus of a clip. We can make the same sound wave a lesser focus of the clip. You can make the image and sound wave evenly distributed. You can have mostly image. You can completely remove the sound wave, so you have just minimal sound wave within the image and visual and audio clips within your timeline. and you can have a bar. The bars pretty much remind me of a music editor I used in year 7 of school called DJ EJ. I think it was just called EJ. DJ EJ was actually a DJ. So we're back and I'm staying focused so I can teach you how to do this. For those of you who are old enough, that was a little bit of a joke for you. You can also use this scroller here to adjust the clip height. This can drastically help if you have any eye problems and can help you see more of your image. There is also a zoom and minimize icon here in case you don't have your mouse scroller working or you don't have a trackpad. This can also be done for precision. Once you've got the desired look and feel, you can now begin to use tools to trim, cut and change the media within your timeline. And we'll get into that in the next lesson. You've just completed part 4. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because we have more lessons to come in this 10-part series for Final Cut Pro 10. See you in the next one.